Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends update stuck on getting ready. So before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. So as you can see on my screen right now, my files are repairing. So this fixes my getting ready when I try to update. So to do that, on your right client, go on your upper right corner, click on your profile right over here, click on settings, scroll down until you see the section that says repair game files. This will scan your installation and repair any corrupted files on your League of Legends. So go ahead and click on it, click on start repair. If it is repairing, go ahead and wait for it until it's done. And if it's not, just go ahead and it'll show this like this. So click on OK, exit out, and it should be repairing files as so. So once the repair is done, what I'd recommend is by exiting out of Riot client entirely. So to do that, go on your tray right over here, right, or if it's not on your tray, just go ahead and right click on your Riot client and then exit. Once done, right click on your taskbar right over here, open up Task Manager. What to do in the Task Manager is just by go ahead and clearing your Riot client services. If you do find any Riot client related services, just go ahead and right click on it and then add tasks. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and your game should be fixed. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.